Hello everyone!
Hello!
I'm Mommy Anna and this is Tiana Haven. Now I am currently 5 months pregnant. Yes, hindi yata. Kabusog lang. Yes, for 5 months na yan. Ayan, so how I boost my immune system? You know what I'm drinking is the Pure Barley, Sante Pure Barley from New Zealand. And I partnered this with Daily C, the non-acidic vitamin C with zinc. Ayan, combination po yan. So, I'm going to show you how we prepare it. Can I borrow the spoon? So, this is a loose powder. Ayan. Ay. Excuse me. Sige, go. Ayan, let's go. Okay, mix mo. Mix. May assistant pa si Mami. Of course, I drink this also. The non-acidic vitamin C.
Wow!
It's made with vegetable capsules. It's really good because it has acidic. Mix properly. Mix with love. Okay na? There you go.
Wow!
She really loves barley too. You want barley too? Sige nga, try mo nga. Ayan, hindi po siya yung taste na mapakla or mapait. Kasi di ba pag nakikita pa lang natin usually, yung kulay ng juice, parang isipin natin, anong lasa niyan? Pero alam niyo po ba na ang pure barley po, yummy daw. Bata yan Ayan. So kung ano iniinom ng adult, yun din po yung sa baby. Pero pagka mga baby pa, as in mga infant pa, pwede po natin i-mix sa milk nila. Pero si Yanyan, since 8 months old, talagang umiinom na siya ng pure barley juice. As in, purong juice. Walang halong milk or honey or something. Ayan. So, thank you for preparing this for me. Do you love barley? Yes. Okay. Mommy will drink it. Okay? Lahat mo muna. Yummy.
Dirty! Dirty! Dirty!
Thank you.